Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Have you ever thought, my gel nails peel because the gel is cheap? The truth is, it's usually not the gel, it's the way you apply it. In this video, I'll explain why gel nails peel and show you how to make them last much longer. Even with affordable products, you can get up to 3 weeks of wear. Have you ever had your gel nails start lifting at the tips within just a week? You might have thought, but gel is supposed to last longer than regular polish. Maybe it's because I used a cheap one. But no, the gel itself isn't the problem. For example, this simple manicure I'm wearing was done entirely with inexpensive gel. Base, color, and top. Even after 4 weeks, the shine has faded, but there's no lifting anywhere. The problem isn't the price of the gel. It's how you prepare your nails and how you apply it. Now, let's go through the process together. Let's start with nail prep before applying gel. This is the most basic step, but it's also the most critical if you want your gels to last. Many people skip it because it feels tedious, but if you do, your gel will almost certainly peel. If your gels come off within a week, it's a clear sign your prep wasn't done thoroughly. So first, let's remove the thin layer of skin at the base of the nail. First, look closely at the nail root. You'll notice a thin white layer sticking to the nail surface. This is called the loose cuticle. It grows with your nail and clings firmly to the base. If you apply gel over it, the oils trapped there will cause lifting from the root. If your gels often lift at the cuticle, chances are you didn't remove this layer completely. Even when it's almost invisible, it's still there, so always take the time to remove it thoroughly. Now, let's take a cuticle pusher and gently push back the skin at the base of the nail. Take a cuticle pusher and gently push back the skin at the base of the nail at a 45-degree angle. This area forms a pocket at the base of the nail. And by pushing it back, you expose the hidden loose cuticle and make it easier to remove. When pushing back, be gentle and follow the natural curve of the nail root with the pusher. Do this about 20 times for each nail. Then switch to a ceramic pusher to gently scrape away the loose cuticle. The tip of this ceramic pusher is angled, so use that slanted edge and place it against the nail at about a 45-degree angle. While holding that angle, move it in small circular motions to gently scrape away the loose cuticle stuck to the nail surface. Work carefully into the pocket at the root. You'll see white debris come off. That's exactly what needs to be removed. Once the nail is clean, brush off the dust. And that's how the loose cuticle is removed. Earlier, we removed the excess tissue from the nail. Now, let's move on to the steps that will help your gel nails last longer. For this part, we'll use a nail file. There are many types available in stores, but here I recommend using one around 200 grit. Use this file to lightly scratch the surface of the nail. This process is called sanding. With a gentle touch, move the file in small circular motions over the nail. This creates tiny scratches for the gel to grip into, which greatly improves adhesion. But if you file too much, you can damage your natural nail. So keep the pressure very light. Once the nail looks just slightly cloudy, the sanding is complete. Next, we'll remove oils from the nail using alcohol and a piece of paper towel. Just like skin, the nail surface also has natural oils. These oils are the enemy of gel nails, and if you don't remove them properly, the gel will lift easily. And because oils are invisible, they often remain even if you think you've wiped them away. So let me show you the proper way to remove them completely. First, soak a small piece of paper towel with alcohol. Next, use it to scrub the nail surface firmly, wiping away most of the oils. Many people stop at this step, but that leaves the area near the skin uncleaned. To show you, if I apply gel and then wipe the same way, you can see how the part close to the skin still remains. Oils are invisible, so this is something you have to watch out for. So after cleaning the main surface, fold the paper towel and use the corner to carefully wipe along the edges of the nail. If your gels often lift around the sides, it's usually because this detail was missed. Make sure to remove every trace of oil with this method. And with that, the prep is complete. Now let's move on to applying the base gel. The base gel is applied directly to the natural nail, so even a small change in how you apply it can greatly improve adhesion. Take some base gel on your brush and place it near the cuticle. From there, move the brush in tiny up and down strokes, almost like you're rubbing it into the nail. This allows the gel to sink into the scratches made during sanding and bond much more securely. Once you've covered the whole nail this way, lightly smooth the surface to even it out. Then cure under the lamp. After that, apply your color and top coat as usual. With just these steps, even inexpensive gels can last 3 to 4 weeks without peeling. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.